Introducing the premium EW835 washer and ED870 vented dryer set from Equator Appliances. Save space by stacking the dryer on top of the washer using the rear stacking kit. This 110 volts laundry set comes with all the top features to ease your laundry routine. Select from sanitize, allergen, winterize, quick, eco, and more. Need to run an errand? The EW835 also lets you choose your start time and offers more than 7 wash options. Prevent germ buildup with an antibacterial drum baffle and the self-clean wash option. Choose from a variety of drying cycles, including normal, sanitize, sensor dry, and more. Get fresh clothes every time with a wrinkle guard and refresh function. See clearly inside your ED870 dryer with its built-in LED lights. Also, use the special shoe cycle to safely dry your footwear. Its reversible door opens from both left and right sides for ultimate convenience. This laundry set measures 67 by 23.5 by 24.8 inches. Have peace of mind with built-in diagnostics and a 1-year free warranty. Upgrade your laundry game with the Equator's ultimate washer and dryer set today.